Hey guys, so I'm finally getting around to organizing my new closet. This was a lot of work. I do not have built-ins. I am just using what I currently have. It is currently a disaster. These are a lot of the containers that I had from the old house. So I'm just gonna go through and just get everything nice and color-coded, doing like the Roy G. Biv with a little twist to it. And I'm utilizing the bins that I had at the other house, and I'm just gonna organize a bunch of stuff. I don't have any dressers or anything yet, so this is just gonna be like a temporary Band-Aid solution, working with what I have. And before I moved, I did do a pretty good size declutter, but even now as I'm putting things away, I'm realizing there's things that I don't wear, so I'm also gonna be putting aside things that I'm not wearing. So I'm gonna get everything hung up here. So sweaters, any blouses, nicer shirts, and then on the top section, I'm planning on doing all sweatshirts, and I'm gonna do everything as color-coded as I can. Just easier that way. It's like, okay, I want a green shirt, I can see where everything is. I just like to keep everything uniform and in place. And then eventually I'm gonna come up with a plan to do some built-ins, whether it be through, I did Closets by Design last time, they were great, or even like IKEA. I definitely want to do a bunch of built-ins and really optimize my closet space. And I went back and forth on my sweatsuits. Should I hang them up? Should I fold them? I ultimately decided to fold them and put them up above on the shelf. It works out so much better this way. There's so much more space, and you'll see it at the end. So this took me 2 days, maybe 3 days to get everything done because I had so many bags that I needed to bring up from the downstairs, and it was just a lot, overwhelming, working with smaller chunks of time. So once I get everything hung up, I realized that I'm not quite liking the color coordination. I kind of messed it up a little bit, so you'll see I kind of play around with it and fix it at the end. Under my tattoos, just a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah, there's a remedy, oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya, I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. So now that everything's hung up, I'm gonna head on to the next phase. So this is gonna be putting all the sweatshirts and sweatsuits. So I'm gonna do the same color scheme so everything lines up as nice as possible. These racks are very sturdy, so I don't have any concerns with them falling, but it's just closet optimization. It is a bigger closet, has a nice big window. There's just so much that you could do with this space. So I'm really excited and looking forward to down the road when I can make it my own and really customize everything. But until then, I want to make sure I see what I have and everything just looks really pretty and like a rainbow. I got these bins from the Container Store. They are great. They're perfect for under the bed if you need extra storage space. So I'm gonna just use them in the closet, as you can see. And what I'm gonna use this one for is like all of my workout stuff. So workout pants, tops, anything that I would typically put in a dresser, which I don't have yet. So this is gonna be perfect to house all of that type of stuff.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me.
Doing a quick vacuum. There's so much construction dust that have just settles, and it's just constantly needing to vacuum it up. But I just want to shuffle some things around and make sure I'm fitting as much as possible. I got this little shoe rack from Target, so it's perfect for what I need right now, and then I can eventually move it downstairs or whatnot. But these racks are great. So I do like work pants on them, dresses, and then like summer cover-ups. These baskets are going to be perfect. I'm gonna use them to do like my smaller handbags and stuff for now. Keep it nice and organized. Then the last thing I have is shoes, and I'll be just about done here. And then at the end, I'll give you like a close-up with everything. And here is the closet, nice and fresh and organized. Everything is completed. I am so happy with how it came out. It is perfect, temporary solution to what I need. I don't want to rush to buy furniture and do everything. Plus, it's expensive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.